In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background from an image in Procreate. Now, this is by far the easiest way to remove a background from your image. Now, typically what people tend to do when they want to remove a background is either use this erase tool in the top navigation and manually just go and erase the background, or by using the magic wand tool and going and removing the background like that. Now, I've actually got a much easier way of being able to remove backgrounds. So the first thing is we're going to head back over to our Procreate gallery, and we're just going to click on new in the top right hand side, and then just open a new canvas. I'm going to open a square. Now what you need to do is use your finger to scroll up on the bottom of the iPad, and in the bottom here you'll see your photos gallery. So what we're going to do is hold down on the Photos app and drag this over to the right hand side of Procreate, and that's going to create this kind of split screen. Now all we simply need to do is locate the photo that we want to remove the background of. So for me it's this photo over here. I'm going to click on that, and now in order to remove this background, it's nice and easy. You just need to hold down on the photo like this, and as soon as you see this kind of animation effect over the image, you can drag it onto the Procreate document, and as you can see, it will automatically remove the background for you. And now we can just resize this accordingly. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.